Hi dear friends, as we all know, Kerala PSC staff nurse exams scheduled on 30th January. So we are going to solve previous year question papers. Today we are discussing question paper from 2018. Definitely this will help you in your future exams. Question number 1. Mosquito which breed in dirty and polluted water is A. Anopheles, B. Culex, C. Aedes, D. Mansoids. Answer is B. Culex. Question number 2. National Program of Nutritional Support to Primary Education is also known as A. Special Nutrition Program, B. Midday Meal Scheme, C. Midday Meal Program, D. Balwadi Nutrition Program. Answer is B. Midday Meal Scheme. Question number 3. Epidemiological triad excludes A. Host, B. Agent, C. Environment, D. Health. Answer is D. Health. Question number 4. Injection of diphtheria antitoxin gives A. Active immunity, B. Passive immunity, C. Natural immunity, D. Cellular immunity. Answer is B. Passive immunity. Question number 5. The storage temperature of BCG vaccine A. 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, B. 8 to 10 degrees centigrade, C. 10 to 12 degrees centigrade, and D. 6 to 11 degrees centigrade. Answer is A. 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Question number 6. A strategy for effective communication where the interviewer validate information from the client without changing the meaning of statement. A. Clarifying, B. Summarizing, C. Paraphrasing, and D. Focusing. Answer is C. Paraphrasing. Question number 7. Volume of blood pumped by the heart during 1 minute in a normal healthy adult. A. 1000 ml per minute, B. 1500 ml per minute, C. 2000 ml per minute, and D. 5000 ml per minute. And the answer is D. 5000 ml per minute. Question number 8. Formula used for converting Celsius scale of temperature to Fahrenheit scale is A. 9 by 5 into C plus 32, B. 5 by 9 into C plus 32, C. 9 into 5 by 32 minus C, D. 5 by 9 into C minus 32. And the answer is A. 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Question number 9. A physician order means medication to be given only once at a specified time. A. Stat order, B. PRN order, C. Single order, D. Standing order. Answer is C. Single order. Question number 10. The site preferred for giving IM injection for adult and anyone over 7 months old is A. Vastus lateralis, B. Deltoid, C. Dorsogluteal, D. Ventrogluteal. And the answer is D. Ventrogluteal. Question number 11. Rising ICP, that is intracranial pressure, is accompanied by A. Tachycardia and hypotension, B. Bradycardia and hypotension, C. Bradycardia and hypertension, D. Tachycardia and hypertension. And the answer is C. Bradycardia and hypertension. Question number 12. A process of redirecting the energy produced by unacceptable desire or activities so that they become acceptable. A. Reaction formation. B. Projection. C. Identification. And D. Sublimation. Answer is D. Sublimation. Question number 13. The suitable method to handle an overactive aggressive patient is A. Accepting criticism and verbal attack without punishment. B. Firing the person and applying restraints. C. Avoiding the person and neglect him for a while. D. Try to cheer up the person and give praise and encouragement. And the answer is A. Accepting criticism and verbal attack without punishment. Question number 14. Recommended protein requirement of an Indian adult is A. 1 gram per kilogram body weight. B. 0.1 gram per kilogram body weight. C. 2 gram per kilogram body weight. D. 1.5 gram per kilogram body weight. And the answer is A. 1 gram per kilogram body weight. Question number 15. Malnutrition comprises of following form except A. Undernutrition. B. Overnutrition. C. Imbalance. And D. Micronutrients. Answer is D. Micronutrients. Question number 16. The ratio for giving external chest compression and breathing in CPR. A. 30:2. B. 15:2. C. 30:4. D. 15:4. Answer is A. 30:2. Question number 17. First aid for strong acid and alkali poisoning. A. Gastric lavage. B. Tickling back of pharynx by finger. C. Swallowing concentrated salt solution. D. Do not induce vomiting. And the answer is D. Do not induce vomiting. Question number 18. Which is the following is not a cause for pernicious anemia? A. Bleeding. B. Chronic alcoholism. C. Long-term use of certain antibiotics. D. Lack of intrinsic factor. And the answer is A. Bleeding. Question number 19. Which of the following surgery leads to dumping syndrome? A. Appendicectomy. B. Gastrectomy. C. Cholecystectomy. D. Sigmoidectomy. And the answer is B. Gastrectomy. Question number 20. Which of the lab value would the nurse to be evaluated for a patient with pancreatitis? A. Serum lipase. B. Serum CPK. C. Serum ALP. D. Serum AST. And the answer is A. Serum lipase. Question number 21. The extrapyramidal side effect of antipsychotic agent are managed with the following group of drugs except A. Dopamine drugs. B. Anticholinergic. C. Antihistamines. And D. Barbiturates. And the answer is D. Barbiturates. Question number 22. Among the following, which one is a delusional disorder? A. Trance. B. Capgras syndrome. C. Dissociated fugue. And D. Cancer syndrome. Answer is B. Capgras syndrome. Question number 23. Most frequent neurotic disorder in puerperium is postpartum blues. B. Postpartum depression. C. Postpartum psychosis. D. Delivery related stress and anxiety. And the answer is B. postpartum depression. Question number 24. Which of the following is used in drug dependence to prevent relapse? A. Naloxone, B. Naltrexone, C. Neuroleptic, and D. Normitin. Answer is B. Naltrexone. Question number 25. The most common psychiatric disorder after head injury is A. Mania, B. Schizophrenia, C. Depression, D. Phobia. And the answer is A. Mania. Friends, by solving these 25 questions, we are winding up this session. The following sessions will be uploaded soon. Thank you.